Hey guys, welcome back to Traveling Beyond Boundaries. Today we have a room tour for you. Yeah, room tour of the 4 Points by Sheraton at the Calgary Airport location. So this is room 502, so let's take a look. Are you running around? So it looks like we have a nice closet here. Yeah, got a safe and iron and ironing board, luggage thingy, and some hangers. And then microwave. This I'm guessing is a fridge. Yep, and then a little mini fridge. Not that we'll need that for our stay, but...
She found the mirror already?
Coffee! And water stuff. I'm guessing the water is not free. Coffee is free.
The mirror she found.
You found the mirror? It's like perfect Emerus height, too. Although she's a little on her tippy toes, but... Okay, good to know. There's a nice mirror for you. Take a look. So we have the room that is 2 queen beds. Nice size beds. Looking forward to it. Yeah. There's a desk with a chair and a TV. Looks like lamp has 2 USB ports and 2 normal plugs in it as well. Phone. Clock has 3 USB ports and two other charging ports, which is nice. So I didn't even need to bring my brick for the little bit that I'm going to be charging. Drawer here has a Bible and a Book of Mormon. I don't know, is that the Bible still? And then over here we got dresser.
Empty.
Looks empty. It's all empty, or is there extra bedding? No, all empty. Oh no!
Threshold.
Or your shoes. Go help her.
Got
Air conditioning.
seat. Ooh, this is a cool.
There's like a blackout blind that you can pull up and down. And then there's also, right? And then there's also a regular one here that I can't seem to figure out how to use.
There you go. That one does that one.
There we go.
Ooh.
So we are right in the front there by the element and parked over there somewhere. Yeah, nice. Not like views of much. Yeah, not much of a view, but
Here for views.
we're not here for views. So the airport's that way somewhere, I think. Maybe it's that way. I don't know. They do have a free airport shuttle.
There's some interesting art on the wall.
Yeah. So, this looks like a recycling bin here. Don't put garbage in there. Bathroom is kind of a key thing that I forgot. So there's a nice little bathtub with a shower. Standard issue.
Oh, they're really making it look more modernized with like making it feel like a house, you know?
Yeah. So. Anyway, got some lotion and some hand sanitizer and hand wash. Don't see any shampoo or anything. Which is interesting. Guess we're using hand wash tonight. I didn't bring any shampoo. Oh, maybe down here?
Oh, on the wall.
Hair dryer?
It's on the wall.
Oh, there we go. It's on the wall. You got body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. There we go.
There you go.
Nice. Anyway, there we go. I showed the bathroom, and now I can go back to the ending. So yeah, so that is the 4 Points by Sheraton at the airport, Calgary Airport location. Thanks for watching. Oh, it looks like the Element one is also the shuttle, same shuttle, which makes sense because I think they're both Marriott's. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more room tours. We will be back here in December. We'll be at a different hotel in June before our flight to Ontario, before our wonderful cruise. Say subscribe. Yeah, bye.